So, hello dear friends. If you want to generate QR code for your Facebook profile or for your Facebook page, then keep watching this video till the end. Look at the top right corner, here's a search bar. So you gotta click on the search bar. Now search your QR code. And now at the very top you will see this option QR code, so click on it. Now again click on this QR code option. First thing first, if you want to have your own QR code, just click on my code. And now if you want to save this QR code to your phone gallery, just you can take a screenshot of this page. And if you want to scan of other Facebook users QR code, then just click on scanner. But if you have any QR code picture on your phone gallery, just click on import from gallery option here. And from your phone gallery, just select the QR code picture. And then it'll scan that QR code and it will directly reach to that user. So this is how you can have your own Facebook QR code. And if you want to scan other Facebook users QR code, then you can do that too. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.